Killer Merch was founded 8 years ago as a merch company primarily for music artists and record labels, and it has evolved to be a merch and full order fulfillment company for celebrities, influencers, sports, a whole broad spectrum of clients. Killer Merch was acquired by Jeffree Star and another team of guys, and they partnered together to do the order fulfillment for Jeffree Star Cosmetics.
I had a great meeting with Jeffree. I said, we can absolutely take care of this. We could not. We were doing a couple hundred orders a day that turned into a couple thousand orders a day, that turned into tens of thousands of orders a day, and this is in an 8-month period.
For us, a lot of the frustrations were misshipping items. So that would just kind of cause this whole domino effect of delaying shipments and then having the customer reach back up to us.
I think one of the biggest issues was that we didn't have any visibility to what our royalty obligation was until the end of the month.
There weren't a whole lot of people even working with Shopify, who's one of our main partners, obviously. We were one of the first that kind of decided, hey, we're gonna need 70 stores instead of one store. I think that's a really big feather in Acumatica's cap, that they were able to understand what we were trying to do in a world that didn't really exist 4 years before and get that integrated.
With the Shopify connector, we're able to import orders and export tracking way easier now. So higher volumes are much more easy to maintain. Like during the holiday season, our team has been saved probably thousands of hours not having to do these minuscule tasks that Acumatica makes so much easier now.
The Matrix inventory probably saves us 2 full-time employees. We're saving 3/4 of an employee using Acumatica for royalties.
Acumatica definitely helps improve everything since it's all in one place, so it makes easy to compile data and make better decisions based on that.
I always say I'm an Acumatica evangelist. I'm constantly praising the brand. I love the fact that it's new, it's innovative, it's in the cloud, it's constantly ever changing, and they're adding more and more. Acumatica will help Jeffree Star Cosmetics grow by giving us the data to make wise decisions as we move into the future.
I think the biggest thing at the end of the day is always the customer. Being able to use Acumatica in that way and being proactive with the customer, knowing what's going on with shipping, understanding where their order is. It's just creating a better experience, and if they're happy, then I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing.